my experience with you regarding Picoin, Fireside, and many other things that help to boost your mining rate. So, during this video, my experience with Pi networks, Fireside, and social features. I've done videos on how to increase your mining rate using Fireside, using social feature, using adding friends, and many others. So, in this video, I'm going to break down what has happened in my own case so that you can compare it with what is happening to you. Let me just refresh your memory that Fireside and social features like adding friends within the Pi network and following those friends and they also following you are ways to make the Pi network active. And that means network. A network is a net. People are connecting. So inside of the network, you have to connect to that people. So that is where we have follow, we have add friends inside of the network. We also have the Fireside. The Fireside is like a blog within the network where people share views, ask questions, and people go there and respond. So before you can share any information on the Fireside within the Pi network or within the Pi app, you need to first have what is called the Fireside. So it is the Fireside that you now share, you now use to make your post. You have to have a token within the Fireside. You can have this token by paying, and you can also have the token by free. If you want to get it by free, you have to watch adverts. One advert is one token. So you watch 5 adverts, and you can watch 5 adverts in after watching 5 adverts now to get 5 tokens. You can now watch another advert in another 8 hours. So every 8 hours you can watch adverts to get one token, and you can get 5 tokens by watching 5 adverts at a time. So this is what I have been using. I did not go for the paid one. For the paid one, you can get 100 tokens and you pay 1 pi. You can get 1,000 tokens, you pay 10 pi, or you can get one 10,000 token and then you pay 100 pi. I'm going to be looking into this if I'm going to buy, because I saw that even the free one is helping to increase my capacity. Well, my capacity, and that is what I want to share with you in this video. So I made a previous video on how to increase your mining rate using the Fireside and other social media platforms and the addition of friends and following friends within the Pi network. Please note that all these I am saying are under utilities in the Pi network on the app. When I check my mining rate by clicking the green area above the invite on the Picoin mining app, it showed my total mining rate, which is equal to my base rate, the boosters, and the rewards. And then what is my base rate? My base rate in my case is 0.0029 pi per hour. The boosters I have is 375.59% because I made sure that I fixed my my lockup my pi for 3 years, and I lock up I think almost 100%. So because of that, that increased my booster. Then the rewards I get is 1.96. Those are the things that make up my total mining rate. Now let me break down the base rate. The base rate is just 0.0029 pi per hour. Then the boosters is 375.59%. And this boosters is made up as follows. We have the Pioneer. Pioneer has 100%. Security Circle, I had 2 people I've invited who are currently mining and who are consistent miners. Others are not mining. Out of the about 7 or 6 that are joined, that I referred. So I have a few of them that are mining. So it's showing me security circle 4 times 20%, which is 80%. Then lockup reward is 195.59. So all these add up together to make the boosters, which is 375.59. Now, in the case of reward, the reward I have is 1.96. All these add up, as I've told you, to the total mining rate, which in my case currently is 0.0214 pi per hour. That is total mining rate. My base rate again is 0.0029 pi per hour. Boosters is 375. Then the reward is 1.96. Now the reward is 1.96, and this comes under the utilities aspect. If you want to check, be able to have this reward, you have to go to utilities when you click on the Pi app. I'm going to explain that in detail, and I've done videos on that already before. But you remember in this video, I'm just sharing with you my experience because I assume you have watched my previous video. But if you have not watched it, I'll leave the link to those videos in the comment section, on the description section of this video. Now, for the reward, I have 1.96. Now, as a pioneer, I was given 1.1.00. My referral team, I said I have 0.50 because I have 2 times 0.25. Then, for utility usage bonus, I have 0.46. Initially, it used to be 0. Then, when I used Fireside, and I also used the other social mining, other social something, adding friends, and many others, I've added more than 100 friends by as of today. And every time I'm doing this Fireside, the free one, then based on that, utility usage bonus is 0.46. The node bonus is still 0 because I have not explored the node, but I'm just telling you the utility usage bonus is 0.46. Before it was 0. When I started adding those things, Fireside and other things, it moved to 0.26, 0.29. Now I just saw on its own it moved to 0.46 because I've been active, and all these things add up to make what I have, which actually increase my mining rate. So this is what I want to bring to you at this time, and I believe that you have enjoyed what I've discussed with you. Now, what I've discussed with you is basically found under utilities. When you open your Pi mining app, you click on the 3 lines by the left on the upper side, then you click on Pi browser, then you click on sign into Pi browser. When you click on sign into Pi browser, it is going to take you to an interface which shows you a lot of other things that are there. Sign into Pi browser, I'm repeating it, it was taking me to Pi booster. It was taking me to the Fireside. It's supposed to bring out yeah, it has responded now. It brought out it said welcome to the Pi browser. We have Fireside, we have wallet, we have brainstorm, we have mine, we have blockchain, we have develop, we have KYC, we have chat, we have profiles, we have domains. So you can click on profiles or you can click on Fireside. That is where the two, you see them there I'm talking about, and then you go. If you click on profiles, you can go there and add me as your friend. My username on the profile is one Daffy. So you add me as friend and you follow me. That function is going to make your mining rate to increase. It's going to increase your utilities ability, and your mining rate will also increase. So that is what I'm just talking to you about now, which is part of what I did to increase my mining rate. Currently, my utility usage bonus is 0.46. This is because I use utility usage very well. So when you click on profile, it will lead to somewhere, and then lead to the profiles and show the profile. So you put in the search bar one Daffy, one as a figure 1, then DAFIDI. That is my username there. Then when you find, then when you see, then you add it and you follow me. When you add me, I will see it at my own end. You have added me, and I'm going to add you back. The same thing in the case of Fireside. You click on the Fireside, and then you go there. Then you go to the advert section where you can watch some things, and then when you watch, you are going to get some points, and those points you can now utilize them for your own personal purpose, which you can use to post as if it's a blog. And you can post anything. You can post to advise, you can post to talk to people, you can post to ask questions, and then you can post to do many other things. So this is what I have to bring to you at this time. And if you have any question for me, you can ask in the comment section below. This is my experience, my using of the Fireside and other social media characteristics on the Pi mining app have increased my mining rate. This is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, ask in the description section. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and ask your question and comment in the comment section. Also share the link of this video with others so that they can benefit from it. And this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now. Go ahead and watch it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.